Zainab from CID News Network, Islamabad. Today's headlines: regularization of illegalities has become a norm in the federal capital and it must end if rule of law has to be restored, observed Islamabad High Court Chief Justice Athar Minallah in the judgment passed in a case pertaining to Punjab Senior Minister Aleem Khan's private housing society. A day after Aviation Minister Ghulam Sarwar Khan expressed hopes that the ban imposed on Pakistan International Airlines to operate flights in Europe would be lifted soon. The European Union Aviation Safety Agency informed the national flag carrier that the ban had been extended by the 3 months. China will overtake the United States to become the world's biggest economy in 2028, 5 years earlier than previously estimated due to the contracting recoveries of the two countries from the COVID-19 pandemic. There is a general perception among the opposition parties that after facing a revolt-like situation in Balochistan and Khyber Pakhtunkhwa, JUIF Chief Maulana Fazlur Rahman has considered it better to skip the PPP-hosted gathering of the Pakistan Democratic Movement leaders at Larkana to avoid a similar situation in Sindh. Pakistan's People Party is all set to host opposition today at its public gathering at Khari Khuda Bakhsh, commemorating the 13th death anniversary of former Prime Minister Benazir Bhutto. The Sindh High Court on 24 December ordered the Sindh government to immediately release the 4 men accused of kidnapping and murdering U.S. journalist Daniel Pearl. 7 precious spotted deer died mysteriously in their enclosure at the zoo. Pakistan's second COVID-19 wave saw its deadliest day this week with 111 deaths reported in 24 hours. The Independent Monitoring Board for Polio has said that if Pakistan could deal with COVID-19 and mobilize resources to check its spread. The lowest temperature recorded in Islamabad over the past 24 hours was 8 degrees Celsius, 17 degrees Celsius in Karachi, 13 degrees Celsius in Lahore, 18 degrees Celsius in Peshawar, 1 degree in Quetta, 7 degrees Celsius in Muzaffarabad, 1 degree Celsius in Gilgit, and 13 degrees Celsius in Faisalabad and Multan. Take care and keep watching CID News Network, Islamabad. Allah Hafiz.
You are watching CID News Network, Islamabad.